Damn, Thryn, they saw you get ready on Leatherface and they said no.
It was a chicken, in case you didn't know.
I'm glad you clarified that. And they legit had like three unicorn rounds. They call it unicorn rounds because no one fought.
Yeah.
Like they got the site, planted it, and like, the other team just said, "All right, well, fuck, we'll just give them the round." It was insane.
Your perks can only carry you so much. You know, I could be incentivized.
Alright, one trap on the generator.
Damn.
Oh,
100% that's Connie.
Yeah, it's not even a question at this point.
I saw their silhouette.
Woo!
Ooh, Connie on me.
Which way are they going?
Outside the back.
To the back, damn.
Going down the well. All down the well.
Okay.
Fuck, dude, that was fast. You got out of here.
Is she did go down the well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even get a chance to feed Gramps.
I'm trying, Heartless. I'm trying. We'll get a kill. I promise.
Going out the back. The same thing that you did last
Again?
time. Going downstairs. They're in the basement.
She's in the basement?
Yep. I hit her 3 times, but I'm gonna go shut this door and go back. It seems like she's trying to go for the fuse.
Found the Connie. I'm on her.
You.
Got her!
There you go.
Shut the door on her face. Stay down there.
There was another one down here for a second with a blue blouse. Got her too. Actually, it wasn't even the blue blouse one. I'm gonna come upstairs and give some blood.
Yep.
I kind of see someone down here.
I'm gonna feed again.
Plus, I found the thingy where they put the fuse into. So you were that.
Nice.
Is it by the Gramps?
Nah, it's upstairs. So they take it from Gramps?
I heard more chainsaws, but not a lot of murder. Listen, I got 2 kills. What are you talking about, Halo? Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, it's this room.
Thryn, 2 kills.
There's like this random ass like box.
I'm doing great. What are you talking about?
Put it inside of.
Oh, okay.
And I was chasing a 3rd.
Spot.
I'm trying.
I thought someone sticking out.
He's mean. He's just mean.
Did not catch a sight on that screen. Check out my trap.
Oh, on me. Stab me.
I see him.
Jeez.
I heard it was like listening for her.
She got. Wait, oh, I got door slammed. Are you serious? Wow, that hit me. Okay, I lost her, but she's in the house. Oh,
One
she
went
jumped
outside.
up.
Have you heard that one?
Here. Going towards generator, going towards the
One pop
well.
valve.
Get him! Yeah! Try doing the spins on me? No.
Oh yeah, they did the valve.
Oh, they did.
Leland just trucked me on me.
The house?
Coming.
No, he's out by the well over here.
Oh, I see. See if I can cut him off.
He just quit.
He saw the caravan coming. He trucked me and he's like, I have a chance. And he turned around and saw you guys.
Yeah, no, you don't.
All right, y'all. GG's. I'm going to bed though.
You know, you don't have to. You could stay.
I'm going to bed. Good luck, man.
I will miss you. This was fun.
I know. Good night.
Bye.